أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson number we read today 7. The letter of madda. Is it very easy lesson? Now we are read from this lesson. First of all, I want to telling you basics instructions. This sign is sakun, is called sakun. Okay, so that's mean Arabic name is jazm. A letter which has a sakun jazm on it is called sakin, like silent letter. Now, short away, I want to telling you we are read from this lesson the letter of madda. Pronounce the letter of madda by stretching them up to one alif, up to two harakat. Spell out as a alif like is it ba, bu, and b. So now we move to lesson. We are read first line. Ba fatha alif ba. We join from this lesson with alif, waw, and ya. These are letters. So that's why when we read with alif, waw, and ya, any letter we join like that, we must be make it long. Ba fatha alif ba. Ba dhamma wa bu. Ba khasra ya bi. Ba bu bi. Ta fatha alif ta. Ta dhamma wa tu. Ta khasra ya ti. Ta tu ti. Is it we read sakun like jazm sign? We it's mean we must be joined two letters. When we see this one, so that's why we must be join the letters. Next line sa fatha alif sa dhamma wa su sa khasra ya si sa su si jim fatha alif ja jim dhamma wa ju jim khasra ya ji ja ju ji ha fatha alif ha ha khasra ha dhamma wa hu ha khasra ya hi ha hu hi kha fatha alif kha kha dhamma wa khu kha khasra ya khi kha khu khi dal fatha alif da dal dhamma wa du dal khasra ya di da du di zal fatha alif za zal dhamma wa zu zal khasra ya zi za zu zi ra fatha alif ra ra dhamma wa ru ra khasra ya ri ra ru ri za fatha alif za dhamma wa zu za khasra ya zi za zu zi sin fatha alif sin dhamma wa su sin khasra ya si sa su si shin fatha alif shin dhamma wa shu shin khasra ya shi sha shu shi. Now, last line is I read it only Tajweed. Saw, su, she, do, do, di, to, tu, ti, zo, zu, zi, a, ru, i, gha, gu, ghi, fa, fu, fi, qa, ku, ki. With next pages have it four lines. Ka, ku, ki, la, lu, li, ma, mu, mi, na, nu, ni, wa, wu, wi, ha, hu, hi, a, u, e, ya, you, ye. Now we will be meet you inshallah with next video with next lesson. You must be practiced for this lesson. Inshallah you will be do it. I will try my best for your Sal inshallah. Jazakallah khair.